What's going on, everybody? This is Davon Marquise West with CLEP Guinea Pig, and yes, I am your CLEP Guinea Pig. And first thing first, if you guys would do me a huge favor, please like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel. All of that really helps the brand. It helps YouTube's algorithm. It helps these videos to keep circulating. Helps to get this information out there to people who are in a tight spot and are looking to find a good starting point on how to study for these CLEP exams. And it helps people out so much. It helps the brand out so much. So if you could please do that for me, I would surely appreciate it. Um, the purpose of this video, honestly, is just to give people the information. All right. I sell study guides on my website, but I know that there's a lot of people out there that don't want to pay for it. And honestly, I would rather you get the information because I know it's super valuable. I would rather you get the information than not get it. Um, you can believe me or not believe me when I tell you that over the last 4 years, I started this brand in 2016. Over the last 4 years, different versions of these study guides, and let me tell you, they've only gotten better over the last 4 years. They've helped thousands of people pass their CLEP exam. All right, that's not even an exaggeration. Um, I really just want you to get this info. I think it's going to be very valuable for you, and that's why I'm doing these videos. So I'm gonna just click through. So this is the key people section of the official CLEP Guinea Pig study guide, and basically all these people are gonna be on your exam. I can guarantee you that all these people are gonna be on your exam, and if they're not, you can message me, email me, text me, and tell me how stupid I am. I guarantee you they're gonna be on your exam, and what I like to do is break down who the people are, what they were famous for, what their contributions to psychology was, and just some general information. What it does is it gives you a starting point. You can build on that. You can go and do further research, and you can just, there's never, you can never do too much research. You can never do too much preparation for your exam. So I'm gonna click through this. Please pause the video, take notes, screenshot, whatever it is that you need to do to get this information. I think one of the coolest features about the study guide though is that it follows the CLEP breakdown from the College Board pretty much to the T. And whenever possible with these exams and the study prep, I try to do that because I just want to make it very simple and very easy to follow for all of the test takers out there. Because I know there's a lot of products, a lot of companies that they give you a crap ton of information, and then you kind of gotta like sift through the info to decide what's important and what's not. Everything you get with CLEP Guinea Pig, is to the point. It's digestible, and it's valuable. It's what you need to know, and you can build off of it. All right, moving on here. If you are interested in purchasing the study guide, obviously I would love for people to buy this. I definitely think it's worth the money. But if you are willing to, or not willing to, if you are wanting to purchase this study guide, there's links in the description. And I'm gonna hook you up with a really sweet discount. So just make sure you follow those links in the description, and we'll get that for you. And again, I just really want to thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. I've been, like I said, started this brand in 2016. It started off as just like a little project, and it became something much bigger. And my goal is to just grow this as big as I can and help millions of people pass these exams and make them more aware about how great they can be. And once again, if you found this video to be useful, if you found it valuable, please like and subscribe, share it. Let's spread the word. That helps the algorithm. Let's just, let's get as many people watching these videos as we can. Get them studying, get them passing their exams. Thank you all so much, and I really appreciate it. Till next time. Peace.